Hello there. A different look. I know I put on my glasses because it seems as if my prescription in my contacts is totally different than my glasses. So I have been wearing my glasses this week and it's been going pretty good. It's clearer for one thing, and I may have an astigmatism or something, but something I need to get checked out. But that's not the reason why I turned my camera on. Guess where I am going? New Orleans, one of my favorite cities. And the last time I went, I think I brought you along. We are getting ready to go for the Bayou Classic. And the Bayou Classic, for those who do not know, it is a classic football game with two HBCUs, historically black colleges or universities. The colleges are Southern University and Grambling State University. I have to think about it, Grambling. So it's an annual thing. It's huge. It's gigantic, and we always have such a good time. So we are getting ready to get on the road and drive there, and I am going to try to take my camera. What I cannot get on my camera, I'm going to take footage on my phone and take you along with us. So I am packed up and I'm waiting on my husband to get ready to go. Before I left, I was able to put up our Christmas tree. We're stopping for gas before we hit the road, and I just feel good. I have a lot to do, like overwhelmingly a large amount of work that needs to get done. But I am telling myself to enjoy the moment, do small things that can add up to the bigger goals, but ultimately just enjoy myself. And that's what I am committed to doing. I do have my laptop. I do have my phone charged so that if I need to look up things for work or for school, I can. But I am going to soak up the moment. I don't think I really do that. I don't think I've done a really good job at it in the past, just soaking up the moment, being intentional about. So I am going to take this time that I'm afforded to actually view my surroundings for what they are, look in the details. And when I say details, I mean just even if a drink tastes good, a piece of food tastes good, or I see a piece of artwork. We made it to NOLA. We are now going to get something to eat, and I don't know what else goes on. We're not doing anything Bayou Classic like tonight because we made it in at the same time that the Battle of the Bands and the Greek show started. So we're going to eat, and I don't know if we're going to walk. I don't know what we're going to do, but I am here to leave the cares behind and enjoy the city, the Crescent City. All right, let's see what happens next, which is food. So I made it to the room, and I'm finishing up spraying every possible thing that we could touch besides the floor. Here's our room. I'm going to spend very little time in here since we will be hanging out with friends, but we have somewhere comfortable to stay. Just got through spraying the bathroom. I don't like showing toilets, so I apologize for that. And here's our room. And the bed is like this because I just got through pulling all of the covers, the comforter and the sheet back, and spraying the mattress. I spray here, I pull this sheet off, and I also spray it, and I also give the pillows a good spray. And I usually do the pillows about 2 times. I let it dry, and then I come back in for some more reinforcement. I spray everything. Everything. And I'm gonna go to the other side and do that as well.
I asked about seeing it.
Round of applause and congratulate Coca-Cola's 2022 Pay It Forward.
And this is what I always look for in a halftime show.
Possibly go find a t-shirt, whatever now.